Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha, and today I will show you how to make this delicious, easy and very healthy mixed berry smoothie recipe. It is loaded with antioxidant, high in fiber and really good for your skin. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this recipe, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's get started with the recipe. Alright, so as you can see, I have laid very few ingredients over here to make our delicious smoothie, berry smoothie. So for that you will need 1/3 cup of mixed berries. I'm using frozen berries. If you don't like too cold, then you can thaw this 30 or 40 minutes before in your refrigerator. And I will show you what brand I'm using. Then here I have 1/4 cup of plain yogurt and banana. I will be adding half, and then you will need water. You can use cold water or room temperature water, whatever you prefer. And then you will need honey. And here guys, I'm using this Kikkerling signature brand and I love this. It comes one lab of 4 bags in it. Alright, so first I will add all my berries in to my blender. Okay, into these berries I will add yogurt. If you like smooth and creamy smoothie, then you can add avocado or banana. I like banana because that adds sweetness and creaminess, so this is optional. If you like, you can add both or one, whatever you have on hand. I will add banana today, so I'm going to cut that in half because I will be adding only half banana. And I'm just gonna give it a slice. And now I'll add all the banana slice in here. Now I will add honey. And I'm not gonna give exact measurement for the honey because you can adjust according to your preference. Start off with half tablespoon of honey, because if you're adding whole banana then you will need less honey. You can also add chia seed if you want to make it more healthy. Now I'm gonna add water, and now water as well, depending on how thick and thin you like, so adjust accordingly. I'm making it thin so I can drink it easily. And now just close this. And I am using my Ninja blender to make this smoothie. You can also add some fresh mint if you like to get nice refreshment in your smoothie. Our smoothie is ready. Let's serve. Look at this perfectly full, big, tall glass of smoothie. Just going to garnish with some frozen fruits. Some fresh mint. Let's put this here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed watching it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.